WazirX's $230 million payout plan hinges on May court ruling. Liquidation looms if rejected. Crypto exchange. India. Restructuring plan. Last updated. April 22, 2025. Author. Jimmy Aki. Author. Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 22, 2025 at 20:26 GMT+3. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. If the WazirX payout is approved, creditors get paid faster. Rejection could lead to liquidation. Multi-sig wallets are becoming a growing threat to crypto exchanges, with Bybit as the most recent target. India's new tax regime has pushed millions of users to foreign platforms. In a recent statement, WazirX, the India-based crypto exchange that suffered a massive hack last year, disclosed plans to restart its operations and begin payouts to affected users. A major court hearing will take place in mid-May in Singapore to decide on WazirX's restructuring and user compensation plan. Can a negative ruling cripple WazirX's comeback? In an X post on April 21st, the WazirX crypto exchange provided an important update on its path to recovery. The exchange's parent company, Zetai, confirmed that all required steps leading up to the next stage have been completed. The next key moment is May 13, 2025, when the Singapore High Court will hold a hearing to decide whether WazirX's proposed payout plan can proceed. If the court approves the restructuring plan, the exchange promises to begin payouts within 10 business days from the effective date of the court order. The court case is being handled in Singapore because Zetai, WazirX's parent company, was incorporated there. The approval of the restructuring plan was initially granted in January 2025. The plan seeks to launch a decentralized exchange and issue recovery tokens to WazirX creditors' recovery, while avoiding liquidation through a court-supervised process. But there could be a darker side. The exchange had earlier warned that if the court rejects the scheme, WazirX creditors could face years of waiting. Their funds could potentially be tied up until 2030. In a worst-case scenario, the exchange may enter liquidation, reducing the amount WazirX creditors can recover because assets would be sold quickly at below-market prices. Administrative costs would also drain funds, and unsecured creditors would receive payouts only after secured parties. Delays could lead to the loss of value in the recovered assets, meaning WazirX creditors might not get the full amount they are owed. Are multi-sig wallets a hacker magnet? WazirX's current legal troubles stem directly from the major security breach it suffered in July 2024. In that incident, hackers exploited a vulnerability in the exchange's multi-sig wallet system, manipulating the interface to trick authorized signers into approving a malicious smart contract upgrade. This allowed the attackers to bypass established security measures and drain approximately $230 million in crypto assets from WazirX wallets. What happened to WazirX isn't unique. Similar attacks have hit other platforms, which shows a common vulnerability in the multi-sig wallet model. For example, in early 2025, Bybit became the target of a multi-sig exploit, where attackers compromised the wallet's front-end interface to steal $1.46 billion. Radiant Capital, another victim, fell prey to a blind signing attack in late 2024. Fraudulent transactions were approved by users who unknowingly authorized them. According to a recent hack and security report, multi-sig wallets were the primary target for cybercriminals between the third quarter, Q3, of 2024, and the first quarter, Q1, of 2025, outpacing other types of attacks. The reason is simple. Flaws in implementing multi-sig wallets and inadequate transaction verification processes leave them vulnerable to exploitation. Rising crypto investment fear in India could drive shift to foreign exchanges. While WazirX's restructuring plan offers hope, the outcome still hinges on the court's decision. This uncertainty is compounded by the lack of positive developments in India's crypto sector. For instance, WazirX, an Indian crypto investment platform, halted withdrawals in January, citing efforts to upgrade its compliance systems. In addition to these challenges, India's tax laws continue to create barriers for crypto investors. The Income Tax Bill 2025, introduced in February, retains the country's 30% tax on profits from trading, selling, or transferring virtual digital assets, VDAs. Additionally, the 1% tax deducted at source, TDS, on crypto transactions exceeding $120 remains in effect, placing a financial burden on traders. After the implementation of the 1% TDS in July 2022, between 3 to 5 million crypto investors migrated to offshore platforms. As a result, India's government lost an estimated $420 million in potential tax revenue. These policies have already led to a high outflow of crypto users to foreign exchanges. If WazirX's legal troubles continue and India's crypto tax remains rigid, foreign exchanges could see an influx of Indian users looking for safer and more lucrative investment options. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Could Vitalik's new code idea send Ethereum soaring? What traders should know? XRP usage soars in Latin America? Is $10 XRP incoming? Cardano price analysis. 50% ADA price crash imminent. Price analysis. Bitcoin breakout alert. Are bulls targeting $90,000? 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Bitcoin price breaks $88,000. $580M in buys from strategy Metaplanet. 10 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Bitcoin news. Bitcoin pushes above $87,000 as Trump's anti-Powell messaging shakes confidence in dollar. 1 day ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. April 15, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. New cryptocurrency to invest in April 2025. For days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in now, upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keely-Cuddy. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. April 13, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 14 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.